Yo, Zimbabwe, we gotta talk. It's dry, like really dry. I'm talking about the kind of drought that makes you wish you could squeeze water out of a rock. Crops are failing, animals are dying, people are thirsty, hungry, and desperate. This ain't no joke, folks. This is a national crisis. And the worst part, it's not like this came out of nowhere. We've seen this coming for years. Scientists, experts, even that one uncle who can predict rain by smelling the air, they all warned us. But did our leaders listen? No, they were too busy doing, well, whatever it is they do. Now we're here facing a disaster that could have been avoided. Our people are suffering, and it's time we demand better. We need leaders who actually lead, not just react when it's too late. Let's be real, folks. Our leaders have been dropping the ball for a while now. They act like they're surprised when disaster strikes, like they didn't see it coming. Newsflash, everyone saw it coming. We're not talking rocket science here. Other countries deal with drought too, but they plan ahead. They invest in irrigation, water storage, and drought-resistant crops. They prepare for the worst, so they're not caught with their pants down when it hits. But not Zimbabwe. We wait until the rivers are dry and the land is cracked before we start scrambling. It's like building a roof after the house is already flooded. This ain't leadership, folks. This is negligence. And it's time we hold our leaders accountable. Remember those warnings I mentioned, the ones our leaders ignored? Yeah, they were pretty specific. Scientists told us climate change would make droughts more frequent and severe. They said we needed to adapt, to change our ways. But did we listen? Nope. We kept doing things the same old way, hoping for the best. And now we're facing the consequences. Our land is turning into a wasteland, and our people are paying the price. This ain't just about drought, folks. It's about poverty, hunger, and disease. It's about kids who can't go to school because they're too busy searching for water. It's about families who are forced to leave their homes because they can't survive. This is the reality of Zimbabwe today, and it's a direct result of our leaders' failure to act.